What is going on, guys? It is Monday the 23rd. What do we got going on today, Ben? Frame manufacturing. Gotta get this one frame out today. We just finished up our first full build, the orange build. What should we call that? Orange crush? Anyways, guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
Goal is to have this one on the truck at 9, so it might happen. It might.
9 a.m.
Well, whenever the UPS guy comes.
You're on a time crunch.
Oh, I asked you if you didn't want one.
Yeah, I think you just...
I said, man.
What do we got going on today, Ben?
Got a lot of work to do. And we're just going to be building some frames, getting the shop organized here. A little general cleanup, so get organized a little bit. Had a lot of shipments come in last week. I can't believe he still wears that little tag around his hat. Like, how do you look somebody in the face and wear that little dangler?
Benji's coming like a moth to a flame. Woo! You don't want to see anything here, Ben. You might as well just stay back.
Damn.
Coming to a box near you soon. Freaking packing peanuts.
Are you kidding me?
You kidding me?
Oh my god.
Wow! These are way better than that dog dirt sent us.
Oh,
Yeah, that's.
But it's the same way.
I could deal with that.
That's rad.
That other stuff looked like it'd been rolling around.
I know.
This freaking warehouse for the past
I had
7
a
years.
thought today too this morning. So we got to start a little thing on the channel that's called Grandpa-isms, because there's so many things that we say on a daily basis. One example, dog dirt. Does anybody out there like listening from all over the country and all over the world, do you know what dog dirt is? Because we say it like
freaking dog dirt.
it's going out of style. It means dog feces, but also that could mean like that's dog dirt. That's a bunch of dog dirt. There's a million of them. Yeah, that's nip and tuck. Like, what does that mean? I said that to my daughter today. She goes, "What's that mean, Dad?" I'm like, "Never mind. That's just a grandpa."
Did you hear you say, if you're squeezing, you're wheezing?
Yeah, exactly. Well, there's 9 in here right now. 3 carts worth. Grandpa calls everything a cart. It could be a tracked machine. It could have wheels.
Where's Grandpa at?
6 carts.
Just cut 2 1 1/4 and 2 3/4 and pump a hole in the center of them.
What do you think, Steve?
I try not to because it gets me in trouble.
How's your Monday going?
Oh, it's Monday.
Feels like Friday every day.
Every day.
Every day feels like Friday. Got that
Oh, water, man. Special water.
special water.
Holy water.
Takes the ghost right out of the ghost.
Takes it right out of there.
The frame all finished.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, so that one's all good to go. Steve's gonna get it packaged up, so
Sweet.
send him his tracking. He should already have it.
Yeah. So what happened, Steve? You came in, busted a frame out for one of our boys.
I did that before I woke up this morning.
Wow.
It's just how it is.
Now, I heard Russ say it's an urban legend, but apparently they have machines that'll measure you out how much you need. Well, that's good.
Wait.
Oh boy. And then I actually did the edges too.
Real company, man. What number of dues is that today?
2.
2. 2 dues a day.
Keeps the doctor away.
This is not legal medical advice. Disclaimer.
Moving around in there like that. That's how it'll punch through not moving around. We're almost there. We're almost there.
Oh, did you see what the dumpster people did? Freaking made a mess out of the pad again. Housekeeping.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there, folks.
Oh, God. The freaking line.
Wording myself. Is this an outgoing?
Like even just that double
Yeah.
box, it's like,
Yeah, if they're tossing it around, should be sweet. I say that's probably the ticket.
we'll probably go to Lowe's tomorrow and grab some bins, and then we can start putting all our parts and stuff in, get those racks set up, get this sled out of here. We can't be ripping that across the yard.
Why not?
Okay, so we're going to mount and balance this front. I say that just to torque people off because you don't really balance it, but we're going to mount and balance these front tire for the Mini Bike Syndicate here.
Oh, this is where tensions always rise, this table over here.
Oh. You're supposed to be the new wheel and tire guy. Tell you what, that's a huge game changer. That up and under. True story. Let's do a little testing and tuning here.
People love the testing and tuning.
Which honestly, with that seat and whatever, it looks pretty like legit.
What'd you just say?
Woo! He's got a 6061 heat sink.
Is 6061 something like good?
I heard it's aircraft grade, but that's just what the rumors on the bus are.
Got a lot accomplished today.
Got that frame busted out, sent out.
New boxes, got new packaging tape, got the new tape machine set up, the axle machine for it.
Yeah.
It's getting put together. All the other spacers were powder coated today for it. Oh, you learned how to mount and balance tires.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I got our ginger order in. Oh, we ripped trikes for probably a little longer than we should have.